Again, welcome to CS 102, Introduction to Programming Using Java. This is Unit 1 lab work, which covers Chapter 1 of our course textbook. So in this lab work, we are going to solve two problems, and our main goal is to learn how to print a statement or expressions on a console application. As we said in the lectures, we are starting with the Java console applications. So in Java, if we want to print any statement on our screen for a console application, we use the system.out.print or println. Println means after I print the statement here, the cursor will move to the next line. And that's what our question is saying. They say we should write a program that print on separate lines. So we are using the println. So my name will be print on one line, then we move to the second line, print birthday. We move to the third line, hobbies, favorite book, and also movie. So again, we have our comment here. Our comment, first, the name of the file, which is info.java. As we said in the lectures, Java file name, the extension is always Java, J-A-V-A. And the file name is info. And always in Java, the name of the file is the same as the name of the main class. So we can see our class here is info. And also in the lectures, we say the public class, they are keywords. We may go details about the concept of classes, which is object-oriented programming in our future lectures. So the main class must have a main method. The main method or the main function is where the execution takes place at. So here we have public static void. These are keywords again. Main, then string argument, that's our array arguments. Again, we explain the concept of void. A void means this function or the main function does not expect a returning value. It doesn't expect a returning value. A static method is a method that doesn't rely on an object or a class. And we may go detail on this again when we cover object-oriented programming. So when we run this program, our output will be the name, Lara, birthday, March 25th, hobbies, sailing, cooking, hiking, favorite book, The Brothers Karamazov, and favorite movie, Remains of the Day. Now let's look at the second question. Here they say we should write a program that prints the first few verses of a song, and that will be your choice. Again, the main goal of this lab work is learning how to use the system.out.print or println to print statements on our screen. So here we can choose any song and just print on our screen. So that would be the conclusion. Actually, we have one more. So this also said we should write a program that prints the phrase, knowledge is power. So again, the same concept. We are using the system.out.println to print any information. And we may design the output we want. For example, here we want knowledge is power in a box. So again, we come up with the dashes, vertical lines. And as we said in lectures also, in Java, always we end the expression or a statement with semicolon. And we have our main method again, that's where the execution takes place. Now the name of the class here is knowledge. So the name of the file also is knowledge.java. So we shall run this program in a classroom in our next section. We should see how it works. So again, thank you very much.